Hey yo, Mr. Evil. Yo.
Hey everybody, you know it's your girl Shelly Expressions, and I'm saying join us this Sunday on our Sunday Night Live that starts at 8 p.m. We are going to be talking about a 16-year-old who fed more than over 100 homeless people, and of course Shaggy's Hotshot album that ranked the biggest on the 200 Billboard charts. People, is Be the Man seeking attention from Vybz Kartel? And are the people saying that Vybz Kartel is the real king of the dance song? Join us this Sunday at 8 p.m. at Incognito Vacation Stay and make us chat up the things there, yeah? Our special guest this Sunday will be none other than the man himself.
My name is Dr. Evil.
Left side. So come join me, come chill, come sit down and chat with you, ask him about questions about his new beginnings for 2025. Alright? Incognito Vacation Stay this Sunday, Sunday Night Live. I'm your host, Shelly Expressions, and my co-host, Orville Hall. See you this Sunday. Why?
When I was first recruited, Savage was my handler. He told me that emotions were a liability. And I bought into that for years. But then Tony got tangled in this world, and I wasn't going to let him go down the same path that I did. I had to save him. We got close. Too close. He told me everything about you. And how you tried to save him. And how you believed in him. I wanted to believe him too, but Raymond was a master manipulator. He used my skills, my connections, and when I finally saw him for who he was, it was too late.
What happened between you and Raymond Miranda?
He set me up. He framed me for an assassination attempt. I was nearly killed by my own agency. Do you know how that feels? The people I'm going to swear loyalty to. They want to kill you. And if that wasn't bad enough, I found out I was pregnant. And I had a miscarriage when they did that raid on Copacabana. They took out my womb, Angela. And your man was responsible for that. And that's why I decided that I couldn't let him get away with it. And that's why he's rotting in a Mexican prison today. I know you love him. But he destroyed my life, and I have to destroy his.
Hell hath no fury like a woman scorned. And this is the warpath that you're heading on. You tried to go to agent, you tried to go to Carlton. Is this really the way you want to continue, Miranda?
Tony was the only family I had left. This is the way I want to continue, Angela.
So what now? Because I know your agency is after you. And if you step through that door unprotected, you're done.
You must not know me very well, Agent B. I have always been on the run. And if I want thing me know, I know how to protect myself.
Not with a local and an international agency after you. Even the great Miranda Suarez, luck will run out.
It's not my whole agency that's after me. It's just a small group called Fist. Sound familiar? Those are who I really want to get to.
So what if you can get to them first?
Do you have a suggestion? Because it seems like we have a mutual problem. Fist is the one running the illegal weapons through the country.
And if they're running weapons through the country, it means that they have an inside link.
Exactly.
This sounds like we need to work together. You trust me?
Should I?
Well, this look pretty straightforward to me. Alright, this is your coffee. And I'll keep this for reference.